Hey you guys, this year I am going to try to turn this $1 into $2. And you may think, oh, well, that's easy, right? Turn a buck into two. Investing has been almost impossible to beat the market unless you own about 7 of the tech stocks. What I've decided is to try to invest in a way I will have a chance at doing better than I've done. And let me show you how I'm planning on doing it. Man with a hammer syndrome. Have you guys heard of man with a hammer syndrome? Well, it means this. To a man with a hammer, every problem is pretty much a nail. And that means if you don't have a lot of tools in your toolbox, different ways problem solving, if you haven't figured out different alternatives, then you're going to do the same thing over and over. Hit that nail on the head over and over because that's what you know how to do. I've been a pretty big supporter of index funds and ETFs because I think that for most investors like myself, it just makes sense to have a broad kind of diversified approach to investing. You need a lot of time. I mean, we're talking 20, 30, 40 years, and a lot of the people watching these videos may have that kind of time to wait. I want something that is a little bit more exciting and gives the possibility of doubling my money, turning that buck into $2 a little bit faster than the index funds. And just to give you an idea, you know, turning $1 into $2 doesn't seem like a big deal, but how about turning $5,000 into $10,000? Or turning 10,000 into 20. If there were a way to do this quicker than the index fund, that appeals to me. Now, once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not even suggesting that this is anything you guys should try to do, but I'm gonna do it. And on this channel here, I'm gonna show you guys the steps that I'm taking and the stocks that I'm going to invest in. So if you're interested in figuring out what I'm doing and which stocks I'm buying, and you have not yet subscribed, hit the little subscribe button and the bell for notifications. And then when I make these videos and I show you which stocks I'm buying, you will be able to follow along. Intelligent speculations in small stocks, because I believe if you invest in a big company, all right, one that's say $300 billion or $500 billion or $1 trillion, then in order for the stock price to double, it has to add a lot of growth. And big companies have a hard time growing. It just, as you get larger and larger, it takes a long time to grow. So I will be looking at small cap stocks, and it takes a lot of due diligence. And so what I'm going to share with you is the 10 stocks that I'm going to invest in, and I'm going to talk a little bit about each one of them. So anyways, that is what I am going to be doing. I hope you guys will join along. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and that way you will be able to keep up with my small cap investing journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.